All emergencies tend to follow a similar pattern where if it's a big traumatic event like an earthquake or a fire, the first 72 hours are key, and that's really when you have to find people, move them to safety, and that's when people who have an acute injury, for example, need care. Our vision at Direct Relief is to make sure that everyone who needs help can get it. We provide medications, medical supplies, medical equipment to people who need them but cannot afford them. On a functional level, what Direct Relief does is a humanitarian supply chain, managing the inventory, managing the transportation, managing the packaging, and the tracing and tracking as it moves through the supply chain is critically important. So data is implicitly and explicitly important for us to make better, more informed decisions.
Data is a really important resource to Direct Relief. We ship into about 80 countries around the world, and so just being able to match up all that supply with the appropriate demand is a complex process. We have a very sophisticated ERP system. The problem with it is that it's very sophisticated, and so it meant that data was really locked up to just those that really knew how to use such a powerful system. We implemented Qlik in 2015. We just wanted everybody to have access, and not only just have access, but everybody have the right access, mostly because we want to be very transparent with what we do with our donations. The other thing that we wanted to do was be able to have better metrics, and so we could focus the organization on continuous improvement. We saw results very quickly. I mean, so quickly that we couldn't keep up. As soon as we built one dashboard, people were like, "This is amazing, can we have some more?" And since then, we have pretty much implemented it across the whole organization. Now with Qlik, we can just see what's in our inventory, be able to drill down if we want to just see a particular manufacturer, if we want to just see a product that might be expiring in the next 6 to 9 months, and it really helps our operations just run more efficient. Using Qlik, we can quickly analyze what we might have sent in a previous response, and then we can reach out to partners and basically propose items to them so they're not having to look through long spreadsheets and try to figure out what they might need. During a disaster, there's a lot of chaos, and having that capability is just a huge time saver.
Information is critically important to show and to be transparent for all the people who participate in Direct Relief. They want to make sure if they're putting their resources in that it's serving its intended purpose. And people certainly who make generous contributions are owed that. The true measure of technology has to be its value and whether it improves the human experience. Is it making our world better? Is it making our lives better? And I think that's what Direct Relief's purpose is. So we've been thrilled that Qlik has been a tool that has allowed us to make better use of information to help more people at lower cost and do it faster, and we're deeply thankful for that.